This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Edward Gale. Well-maintained Islander model, 3-bedroom/2 bath with an open floor plan. Large island kitchen with a pantry. Lots of cabinets. Spacioius living room with adjacent dining room. Lots of natural light from a wall of windows. Newer laminate floors. Master bedroom can fit a king-size set, with a large master bath. Dual sinks and huge vanity.Separate shower. 2 more good-size bedrooms and another full bathroom. Separate laundry room. Roof and AC replaced in 2018. Lanai has new windows, 2020, tile floor and AC. View of the preserve. Extra large carport and storage shed. Concrete patio in backyard. Perfect retirement home with room for guests. Located in spectacular Savanna Club, an active resort-style 55-plus community. Come take a look. For more information, review the details below or contact Edward Gale at 772-233-5391.